Hello, savvy investors, and welcome back to Stocks Telegraph. It's that exciting time of the month again when we unveil the top opportunities in the stock market. As we dive into November 2023, the landscape is shifting, offering fresh prospects for investors seeking growth and stability. The world of finance is ever-evolving, influenced by a myriad of factors from global events to market trends. In this episode, we'll not only provide you with a list of the top 5 stocks for the month but, just like before, we'll delve into the financial fundamentals and market dynamics that make these stocks stand out. Whether you're a seasoned investor navigating the turbulent waters of the market or new to the world of investing, our goal is to empower you with the knowledge needed to make informed decisions. These stock picks are not just based on trends, they're backed by solid financial data. Before we dive into these promising investment opportunities, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell. We're dedicated to keeping you updated with the latest market insights and investment strategies, so you don't miss a beat in the ever-evolving world of finance. So, let's waste no time and start exploring the top 5 stocks that could shape your investment journey in the month of November 2023. Our first pick for the month of November 2023 is Delta Air Lines Incorporated, trading under the ticker DAL. Delta is a major player in the airline industry, offering scheduled air transportation services for both passengers and cargo. Let's dive into the financials. The current price for Delta Airlines is $32.02, and analysts are eyeing a mean target price of $53, indicating significant growth potential. One key indicator to consider is the return on equity, which stands at an impressive 49.22%. This reflects the company's ability to generate returns from shareholders' equity. Delta's earnings per share growth this year has been remarkable, at 91.03%. Showing the company's capability to expand its profitability. In addition, the quarterly earnings growth year-over-year is a substantial 58.69%, a testament to Delta's strong performance. Valuation-wise, the price-to-earnings ratio is a mere 6.05, making it an attractive option from a price perspective. Looking ahead, the forward PE stands at 4.81, indicating further growth potential in the coming months. Delta recently reported its third quarter 2023 earnings, coming in at $2.03 per share. This comfortably beat the consensus estimate of $1.92 and marked a 35% improvement year-over-year. Additionally, the revenues for this quarter stood at $15,488 million, surpassing the consensus estimate of $15,290.4 million and increasing by 11% year-over-year. This growth was primarily driven by the increasing demand for air travel. As we look forward to the last quarter of 2023, Delta is anticipating earnings in the range of $1.05 to $1.30 per share, a promising outlook for the airline. In a world where travel is becoming more prevalent, Delta Airlines Incorporated appears to be on a trajectory of growth and profitability. Remember that all investments come with risks, so it's important to conduct your own research before making any decisions. Stay tuned as we explore more intriguing stock picks for the month of November 2023. Our journey through the top stocks for November 2023 continues with Immunogen Inc, trading under the ticker IMGN. Immunogen is making waves in the biotechnology sector, focusing on the discovery and development of antibody-drug conjugates to improve outcomes for cancer patients. Let's explore the numbers. Immunogen's current price stands at $13.92, and analysts have their sights set on a mean target price of $23, underlining the significant potential for growth. One striking figure is their gross margin, which stands at an impressive 98.65%. This is a sign of a company in robust financial health. Immunogen has exhibited stellar performance this year with a year-to-date return of 180.65%. Additionally, the EPS growth this year has been a remarkable 94.98%, demonstrating their strong financial performance. What's equally noteworthy is their quarterly revenue growth year-over-year, which has surged to a staggering 487.16%. This signals substantial growth in their revenue. Moreover, the quarterly earnings growth year-over-year is an impressive 93.42%, highlighting their consistent performance. So, what's behind this stellar performance? Immunogen's focus on developing targeted cancer therapeutics using its proprietary antibody-drug conjugate, ADC, technology has been the catalyst. Looking into the future, the annual earnings estimates have skyrocketed. For fiscal 2023, EPS is now anticipated at an adjusted loss of only -10 cents per share compared to -88 cents per share in the previous year. And the outlook gets even brighter for fiscal 2024, with earnings expected to leap into the black at 19 cents per share. The growth isn't just limited to earnings, the sales projections are equally impressive. Sales for this year are expected to reach $340.39 million, a substantial increase from $108.78 million in 2022. Furthermore, Immunogen's top line is projected to expand by another 45% in fiscal year 2024, reaching $493.74 million. As Immunogen Inc. continues to make strides in the development of targeted cancer therapeutics, the company's future appears promising. But always remember that investments carry risks, and it's essential to conduct thorough research before making any decisions. Stay tuned for more intriguing stock picks for the month of November 2023. Our next stock pick for November 2023 is Southwestern Energy Company, trading under the ticker SWN. Southwestern Energy is a holding company, and they're deeply involved in the exploration, development, and production of natural gas, oil, and natural gas liquids. Let's dive into the numbers that make Southwestern Energy stand out. With a year-to-date performance of 20.34%, they've demonstrated their potential for growth. The return on equity is an impressive 146.60%, and the return on investment stands at 51.86%. These numbers signify strong financial performance. One key indicator, the profit margin, is an impressive 48.82%, further illustrating their financial strength. Additionally, the P/E ratio is exceptionally low at 1.41, indicating a potentially undervalued stock. But what's really caught the market's attention is the news that Chesapeake Energy Corporation is in preliminary discussions with Southwestern Energy Company regarding a potential acquisition. This news has significant implications for the energy sector. If this acquisition were to happen, the combined entity of Chesapeake and Southwestern would become the largest natural gas-focused exploration and production company in the United States in terms of market capitalization, overtaking EQT Corporation. However, it's important to note that these discussions are in the early stages, and there's no concrete decision yet. As always, it's crucial to consider the risks and conduct your research before making investment decisions. But Southwestern Energy Company's potential acquisition is certainly a development worth keeping an eye on in the dynamic energy sector. Stay tuned for more intriguing stock picks coming up in this video. Our fourth stock pick for November 2023 is New York Community Bancorp, trading under the ticker NYCB. This company, a bank holding entity, specializes in providing multifamily loans on non-luxury, rent-regulated buildings with below-market rents. The financials of New York Community Bancorp make it an attractive choice for investors. With a year-to-date performance of 17.44%, they've shown stability and growth potential. Their return on equity stands at 30.35%, reflecting strong financial performance. Another significant indicator is the profit margin, which is a solid 42.08%, underlining their financial strength. Also, consider their robust EPS growth this year of 222.34%. The company's quarterly revenue and earnings growth, with impressive year-over-year increases of 269.45% and 60.66%, respectively, are compelling reasons to consider New York Community Bancorp. For income-focused investors, the annual dividend yield is a notable 6.73%. The company has a history of providing attractive dividends to its investors, and its yield has consistently remained above 4% since late 2004. What's particularly interesting is the stock's performance in 2023. Despite a challenging start to the year, New York Community Bank's shares have surged by more than 50%. Even with this remarkable gain, the stock is trading at under 11 times expected earnings, indicating it might still have room to grow. New York Community Bancorp offers a unique blend of stability, growth potential, and a history of dividend payouts. However, as with all investments, be sure to do your research and assess your risk tolerance. Stay tuned as we uncover our final stock pick for November 2023. Our final stock pick for November 2023 is Cipher Mining Inc., trading under the ticker CIFR. This company operates as a Bitcoin mining ecosystem in the United States, positioning itself at the forefront of the cryptocurrency business. Cipher Mining's financial performance and recent updates make it an intriguing choice for investors. Year to date, their stock has seen an astonishing surge of 532.14%. This is a clear indicator of the strong interest and growth in the cryptocurrency space. What's remarkable is their growth in earnings. With an EPS growth of 39.45% this year and a quarterly earnings growth year-over-year of 56.78%, Cipher Mining Inc. is demonstrating its ability to capitalize on the expanding cryptocurrency market. The company's most recent production and operations update for September 2023 revealed some significant developments. Cipher finalized the Odessa data center, bringing the total deployed rig count to approximately 70,000. This led to a substantial increase in production, with Cipher mining 416 BTC in September, representing a 16% boost compared to the previous month. As part of its treasury management strategy, Cipher also sold around 382 BTC in September but retained a balance of approximately 553 BTC at the end of the month. Cipher Mining's presence in the cryptocurrency mining ecosystem and its recent production figures highlight the opportunities in the digital currency space. Keep in mind that investing in cryptocurrency-related stocks comes with unique risks and rewards. Before making any investment decisions, it's essential to conduct thorough research and assess your own investment strategy. So, there you have it, our 5 stock picks for November 2023, each offering unique opportunities and growth potential. Remember to do your due diligence and consider your investment goals before taking the plunge. Thank you for joining us on Stocks Telegraph, and as always, happy investing. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.